Hi everybody and welcome to the Made from Scratch tutorials. This is DJ Andy. In the episode of this week, I'm showing you how to combine chirps and baby scratches to make something really cool. Check it out. This combo is divided in 3 parts. For the first part, we start with a baby scratch and then we bring back the sound 3 times in a row. Alright, so that's the very first part. We start easily with the baby scratch and 3 times in a row. We just bring back the sound. That's it. A bit faster now. Check it out. Moving on to the second part of the combo, I start with an open crossfader and I do a chirp and then 2 transforms back. So once again, open crossfader, chirp, and 2 transforms back. A few times in a row. And a bit faster. Right, for the third and last part of the combo, we're going to use a classic. It's the chirp 2 times in a row. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you know this one. So chirp 2 times in a row. Now let's put these 3 parts together and it should sound like this. Alright, now let's add some speed. And the best part for the end, let me show you how it sounds on a beat. Check it out.